Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn a new and different story. The name of the story is An Encounter of a Special Kind. This story is written by Tapan Mukherjee. What is the speciality of this story? This is the important story for the reader to take some extra knowledge, some motivations from the story. In this small story, when we read, that story touches to our heart, and that gives some sort of a special message, and writer or the reader wants to read something more, and at the same time he take a very beautiful lesson from his own life after the reading of this story. So this story is not only applicable for the writers only, but this story is applicable for the readers too. Before learning this story, there is some short exercise for us, some short chit-chat activities for us. Please open your textbook on page number 7. There is one chit-chat activities. You saw this picture. You may narrate that picture in your own language that one girl is crossing a river with a puppy, and that girl is too much in danger, but she wants to save a life of a small puppy. What do you see in this picture? That is which I just told you. What do you think the girl is trying to do and why? This girl is trying to save a life of a small puppy even though she was in danger. Third question is, if you were in the place of that girl, what you do? Absolutely, we do that. We may save the life of that small puppy, or we may save the life of that particular small animal. That is the picture. This picture is also denotes our emotion, that gives some encouragement, that gives some enjoyment, encouragement to develop your own personality, and on your level best in your future you must be become too much adventurous. That's why this picture is also given. Then if you saw the second picture, match the appropriate headings with the images. You may read that 4 points and you may adjust that. I will read the first 4 points and then you will adjust with that picture. First is our luxurious bungalow. Second, my favorite pastime. Third, what a combination. Combination means gondal. Combination means confusion. And last one is engrossed in my book. मी माझ्या पुस्तकामध्ये तल्लीन आहे. And there is also 4 fill in the blanks. First, our luxurious bungalow, appropriate answer is C. That is, the bungalow is given. My favorite pastime, appropriate answer, that is also A. This boy is too much engaged with so many books, and he always have a lot of time. He wastes his time to read something extra, something important. And third one is, what a combination. Here in the D picture you saw that there is a lot of confusion created by this particular man. And last one is engrossed in my book, and that is B. And means this person is also, even though there is the hardship in his own life, this person is engrossed in his own book. That is the appropriate alternatives and answers of that. Now, with the chit-chatting this part, actually we learn an encounter of a special kind. In our day-to-day life, there are so many situations can be created. That situations may be hard to ourselves. That situation may be too much easy to ourselves. But that incident creates something, an adventurous effect on the reader's mind or on the particular person's mind. An encounter of a special kind या धड्यामध्ये एक अनोळखी अशी चकमक या ठिकाणी दाखवलेली आहे. सुंदर असा हा धडा तपन मुखर्जी यांनी लिहिलेला आहे. या धड्यामध्ये असा एक प्रसंग दिलेला आहे या लेखकाने की तो प्रसंग तुम्ही वाचल्यानंतर खरोखरच तुमच्या आयुष्यामध्ये एखादी स्फूर्तीमुळे एखादी ऊर्जा मिळेल आणि ती ऊर्जा तुमच्या जीवनाला सुद्धा सार्थ ठरेल आणि दुसऱ्या प्राणीमात्रांच्या पशुपक्ष्यांच्या सजीवांच्या जीवनाला सुद्धा ते सार्थ ठरेल आणि तुमचं सुद्धा जीवन इतरांच्यासाठी फलदायी ठरलं, यशदायी ठरलं अशी भावना तुमच्यामध्ये जागृत होईल. अशा स्वरूपाचा आशय असणारा हा एक धडा आहे. दिस lesson is not only for examination point of view. If you read, this lesson can create something morals which is hidden in your own personality. Means you will not read this lesson on account of the examination point of view, but you only give some sort of motivation, you take some sort of motivations from this lesson. On that point, you read line by line, you read thoroughly the first 2 paragraphs of this lesson. I will read the first paragraph, then I will explain that. Now, you have, all of us have a textbook. Please open page number 8. I will read the first paragraph. My father was a medical professional working in a private company in Raniganj in West Bengal. The officers of the colony were housed in individual bungalows inside a large campus. Our house was in a corner of the campus. The officers' club was adjoined to the boundary wall of our garden. The compound was luxurious with a green grass, colorful flowers, and a host of tall and majestic trees. The seasonal vegetables in the kitchen gardens of the household and the magnificent trees constantly attracted squirrels and many species of birds. A group of langur had even made their den in an astawa, means the tree nearby. They had all become a part and parcel of our existence and daily life. I hope you got some little idea about the writer's imagination. Here, the narration is that the writer says that my father was a medical professional working in a private company in Raniganj in West Bengal. पश्चिम बंगालमध्ये या लेखकाचे वडील वैद्यकीय व्यवसायाच्या निमित्तानं नोकरी करत होते आणि ते एक अधिकारी या पदावर होते. The officers of the company were housed in an individual bungalow. आणि त्या अधिकाऱ्यांसाठी एक स्वतंत्र अशी घरं, स्वतंत्र असा बंगलो मिळालेला होता. आणि त्या बंगलोच्या, त्या घराच्या शेजारी अवतीभोवती आवर हाऊस वॉज इन अ कॉर्नर ऑफ अ कॅम्पस. एका कोपऱ्यामध्ये, त्या कॅम्पसच्या त्या आवारामध्ये एका कोपऱ्यात त्यांचं घर बसलेलं होतं. द ऑफिसर्स क्लब वॉट ॲडजंट. आणि त्या ऑफिसर्सच्या क्लब जवळूनच टू द बाउंड्री वॉल ऑफ ए गार्डनची, बागेची एक भिंत जात होती. द कंपाऊंड वॉज लक्झरियस अँड ग्रीन ग्रास. आणि त्या कंपाऊंडमध्ये आईशारामी असं सुंदर असं गवत आणि लक्झरियस असं ते कंपाऊंड होतं. त्या फुलांमध्ये किचन मॅन हिअर होस्ट colorful flowers and host of tall and majestic trees, the seasonal vegetables in the kitchen's garden and household and magnificent trees constantly attracted squirrels. आणि त्या कंपाऊंडमध्ये सुंदर सुंदर अशी झाडं होती, बाग बगीच्याची अशी सुंदर झाडं होती. त्याचबरोबर घरासाठी नित्य उपयोगाला येणारी काही वनस्पतीही त्या कंपाऊंडमध्ये लावलेल्या होत्या. आणि ते एक महत्त्वाचं आकर्षण पक्ष्यांसाठी होतं, खारुताईंसाठी होतं. त्याचबरोबर इतर काही पक्षी वेगवेगळे पदार्थ खायला मिळत आहेत म्हणून, सुंदर परिसर आहे म्हणून त्या ठिकाणी आकर्षले जात होते. अँड हिअर टॉल मॅजेस्टिक ट्रीज, मोठे उंच अशी झाडंही त्या ठिकाणी होती. द सीजनल व्हेजिटेबल्स इन द किचन गार्डन्स ऑफ द हाऊसहोल्ड अँड द मॅग्निफिसंट ट्रीज कॉन्स्टंटली अट्रॅक्टेड स्क्विरल्स अँड मेनी स्पेसीस ऑफ बर्ड्स and a group of langur had even made their den in an astava. त्याच ठिकाणी एका पिंपळाच्या झाडावर लंगूरनं म्हणजेच माकडाने आपली गुहा तयार केली होती आणि त्यांचंही वास्तव्य त्या ठिकाणी होतं. दे हॅड ऑल बिकम ए पार्ट अँड पार्सल ऑफ अवर एक्झिस्टन्स अँड डेली लाईफ. आणि हे त्यांच्या मानवा व्यतिरिक्त इतर सजीवांच्या बरोबर लेखकाचा अधिवास त्या ठिकाणी चाललेला होता आणि तोच त्यांच्या जीवनाचा एक अविभाज्य भाग बनत चालला होता. अशा पद्धतीनं लेखक त्या ठिकाणी जीवन जगतो आहे पश्चिम बंगालमध्ये, राणीगंजमध्ये. आणि त्याच्या बाजूचा परिसर, त्याच्या बाजूचे इतर काही सजीवांबरोबर तो आपला मुक्त विहार आनंदपणे व्यक्त करत आहे. राहिलेला भाग आपण